Hey guys, what's up? Crystal here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and do my Boxycharm unboxing for June 2020. I'm not going to be trying anything out on my face because first of all, I didn't plan on doing this, but I'm actually going to start giving my mom my Boxycharms for the next couple of months just because I have been thinking about canceling it. And I just wanted to go ahead and see how I feel without it, I guess. And honestly, if I were to cancel it and then resubscribe, I would end up getting so many repeats. So I don't want to do that, which is why I'm going to go ahead and just give it to my mom for a little while, you know, just let her have something nice or whatever the case may be. So this is the box here. It does retail for about $25, and if you want to sign up, I do have a link in the description. When you open it up, this is what you see. The first thing you see is Kylie Jenner, and then you also have the card on here, which is called the Oasis, and I'm guessing that that is going to be the theme for this month, and you can already see everything that's inside. I do want to address that I am not filming in my garage today. It's just so hot. I can't see myself filming in there in the summer, and hopefully you guys are okay with this background. This is my actual bedroom, and you can see the gaming station right there. But, you know, hopefully you guys will be okay with it, and maybe I can figure something else out. But for the meantime, this is what you guys will be seeing. So the first thing in here is actually from Kylie Jenner, and this is the Kylie Skin. This here is the foaming face wash. It retails for $25, and then you also get this $5 off with the code BOXY5 if you want to try it on. It's an actual huge box. It is 5 fluid ounces. It says that there's fragrance in here, which I feel like if it didn't have fragrance, it wouldn't be that bad of a facial wash, but there is some in here. I don't want to pump any out because I want my mom to be able to do that. It honestly smells clean. It smells like grass, but it's weird that it has fragrance in here. So I'm wondering if that's even like supposed to, like if it's even the ingredients, or if it's just because it's that masking fragrance to make it seem like it's cleaner than what it is. Yeah, so there's that. My mom might actually really like that. Another thing in here is from Smashbox. This is the photo finish setting spray. Honestly, my mom isn't really like that big into makeup. She likes makeup and she likes to play with makeup. My grandma really likes makeup. So I'm not even sure if she's gonna know what this is or how to use anything. She always asks me like, Mama, what do I do with this? When do I apply this and this and that? But this is the Smashbox photo finish setting spray. I know a lot of people really do like this. Me personally, I don't really use any kind of sprays if it's not rose water, to be 100% honest. I don't see anything in here about fragrance, but there is castor oil in here, which is pretty good for the skin. Let me smell it. It smells like it would be sticky. But honestly, I think that's what you would want for a setting spray. So there's that. She would definitely love this, and this here retails for $32. The next thing in here is from KAB. This is a lip liner and lip gloss duo. This is in the shade Charming, and this here retails for $40. Okay, whatever you say. And this is what it looks like here. This is the shade. It looks a little more reddish on the camera, but an accurate description of it would be this color here, which is more of a like pinky mauve, and that is not my color at all. I'm not a real big fan of pinky mauves, but my mom does like them, and my nails are so crappy. Normally I try to like have them painted but today was not supposed to be filming day, but here we are. So anyways, I think my mom will actually really like this. I like that it has a lip liner and a lip gloss. I think she will really appreciate that. The next thing in here is from Laura Geller, and this is the multitasking cream to powder trio, and it retails for $24. So this is what it looks like here. We have Gold Dust, Coconut Grove, and Tucson Coral. I think that I may actually want to try something like this. I'm looking at the ingredients because it just came like this, right? There's no box that this came in, like no. I'm looking at the ingredients. It does say dimethicone high up there, so it is silicone based. but I don't see anything in here about fragrance or mineral oils. There is synthetic wax in here, which is, I think, would be a better alternative to beeswax. Beeswax can kind of break certain people out like me. And then the last thing in this box is the item that I actually picked. So I'm actually going to be taking this because I did pick it out. I did this before I even thought about giving the boxes to my mom. I just thought about it yesterday, and I had, obviously you do these a month in advance. So this is from Tula Skincare, and this here retails for $28, and it's called Glow Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. And I've been needing something for my under eyes. I've been using retinol now because I have, like, you know how I've had those things there, and I've been using retinol and it works really well. But one of the problems with it is that it is very drying, and I guess I got it a little too close to my eye because I got irritation right here, and the eye cream that I use burns, so I haven't really been using it. So I'm hoping that this helps. This is fragrance free, which is good, and it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in here. I'm gonna actually swatch this one because I will be taking this. Ooh, it feels cold. That is so weird. And there is like iridescent. It's like very iridescent. It's like a purple reflect. This is gonna be so fun, guys. I have high hopes for this, and I hope that it doesn't let me down. This brand is cruelty free. I don't see any fragrance in here, but there are dyes. But you know, you can either give or take with that. So there's watermelon fruit extract in here, there's glycerin, hyaluronic acid, there's blueberry fruit extract, lactic acid. There's a bunch of different things in here which are supposed to be good for your skin, so we'll see how it works out. But I love how it felt really cold, and I keep all of my skincare in a skincare fridge, and it dries down really nicely. So I really do like it. I think that it works really well, or so far on my hand. I'll let you guys know. But that's pretty much it for this month's Boxycharm, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys got in your box. Let me know what you picked out. And I am very curious, if you've ever used the Kylie Skin foaming face wash, let me know if you like it. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope this helps you guys know whether or not you would like to subscribe to Boxycharm yourself or see what it is that other people got. So thank you again, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.